What if you wake up to find that the car you've been eyeing now costs significantly more, or worse, isn't available at all? This isn't a distant scenario. It's unfolding now due to recent shifts in international trade policies. Mexico has implemented new trade measures that are sending ripples through the US auto industry, and these changes could directly affect your vehicle options and cost in the near future. Stay with me and allow me to share what's happening. Mexico has been a key player in the automotive supply chain, providing a manufacturing base for US car companies like Ford, General Motors, and Stellantis. This relationship has allowed automakers to maintain competitive pricing and offer a variety of models to consumers. However, recent policy shifts have introduced new challenges. In response to US economic pressures and trade disputes, Mexico has enacted policies aimed at reducing foreign dependence and bolstering its own auto industry. These measures include limiting exports to essential auto parts and increasing tariffs on US-made vehicles. Such actions disrupt long-standing supply chains and introduce uncertainty into the market. These policy changes have significant implications for US automakers. Companies like Ford, GM, and Stellantis, which have heavily invested in Mexican production facilities, now face increased operational costs, and they are confronted with tough decisions. Absorb these additional expenses, pass them on to consumers through higher vehicle prices, or seek alternative manufacturing solutions, each with its own set of challenges. The push towards electrification in the automotive industries adds another layer of complexity. EV production already faces hurdles such as shortages of battery materials and semiconductors. Mexico's new trade measures amplified these issues, potentially delaying the rollout of new EV models and making electric cars more expensive for consumers. The US government has taken note of these developments. Recently, President Trump rolled back tariffs on some goods from Mexico and Canada, granting a 1-month reprieve from 25% tariffs on various goods with a new deadline set for April 2nd. And this temporary measure aims to provide relief onto the auto industry, but the future remains uncertain. Trade tensions persist and the potential for increased production cost looms, which could lead to higher car prices and fewer choices for consumers. Now, as a consumer, it's essential to stay informed about these developments. If you're considering purchasing a new vehicle right now, especially an electric one, just be aware that prices may fluctuate and the availability may be affected in the coming months, or delaying a major purchase right now until the situation stabilizes, and that might be the prudent choice. The automotive industry landscape continues to shift because of the current international trade imbalance. You need to stay informed that you can quickly adapt to make the right choices that best suit your needs and your wallet. Thank you for joining me. If you found this information helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the notification bell for future updates. Stay tuned and we'll see you in the next video.